Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Her account, follow these step-by-step instructions to add a verified badge to your dating profile and increase trust with other users. Step 1. Open the Her app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom navigation bar to access your profile page. Step 3. Look for the verification option on your profile. This is usually indicated by a badge icon or text that says verify your profile or get verified. Step 4, tap on the verification prompt to begin the verification process. Step 5, Her uses photo verification to confirm you're a real person and that your profile photos accurately represent you. Step 6, you'll be asked to take a selfie in real time, following specific pose instructions provided by the app. These poses help prevent the use of pre-recorded videos or static images. Step 7. Position your face within the designated frame on your screen. Make sure you're in good lighting and your face is clearly visible. Step 8. Follow the on-screen prompts to strike the required poses. This typically involves turning your head in specific directions or making certain gestures. Step 9. Take the verification selfie when prompted. Ensure your face clearly matches your profile photos. Step 10. Submit your verification photo for review. HER's verification system will compare your selfie with your profile photos to ensure they match. Step 11. Wait for Her to process your verification. This usually takes a few minutes to several hours. You'll receive a notification once your verification is approved. Step 12. Once verified, a verification badge will appear on your profile, showing other users that you're a real person and your photos are authentic. This helps build trust within the HER community. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.